Okay, so let's unpack this. We're looking at a pretty specific engineering problem today.
A really specific one, yeah.
How do you handle, maximum bandwidth 4K video, but at the same time, make sure your professional audio is, well, completely flexible?
Completely independent. And that's exactly what this deep dive is all about. We're looking at the Blustream PRO-IN4HDA.
The four-way 4K HDMI 2.0 input board.
That's the one. And your mission, if you're listening, is to really get how this one card merges that high-end video with professional networked audio Dante specifically.
All inside a modular system. So this board is it's basically the nerve center for your inputs.
Absolutely. It takes 4 HDMI 2.0 inputs.
And you can route them anywhere, right, independently.
To any output board in that matrix. That kind of flexibility is, well, it's non-negotiable for big multi-zone installs.
And the specs here are, they're pretty top tier.
Oh, absolutely. We're talking HDMI 2.0, so that's 18 GBps of bandwidth. That's essential for HDR high dynamic range and resolutions up to 4K UHD 60 Hz.
Okay, but I want to focus on a detail there. The 4K 60 Hz 4.4.4. For anyone who isn't deep in video engineering, why is that 4.4.4 part so important?
That is the difference. It's professional versus consumer, really.
Okay.
That 4.4.4, it's about chroma subsampling. It means every single pixel gets its full color information, no compression.
So no smearing or, like, fuzzy text.
Exactly. If you're putting up computer graphics, detailed schematics, anything with fine text,
Yeah.
4.4.4 is mandatory. It's about fidelity.
Got it. Zero compromise on the visual side. And of course, it has to handle HDCP 2.2 for modern content.
Of course. And it passes through all the big audio formats, Dolby True HD, Atmos, DTS HD Master Audio.
Right. But the really revolutionary part here, I think, is the audio, how it kind of breaks it free from the video.
That's where the magic is. It's all about audio breakout.
Okay, so every single HDMI input has 2 parallel audio breakout paths.
2 paths. You've got your 2-channel Dante audio breakout for the network, and then you have a fixed level 2-channel analog out.
The little 3.5 millimeter stereo jack.
Right. But if an installer already has simple analog breakout, why add the complexity of Dante? What's the real value?
It's about decoupling, isn't it? Dante lets you stop thinking of audio as something stuck to a video cable.
It just becomes network data.
Exactly. You can grab that clean digital audio and shoot it across an entire campus to a massive sound system, while that little analog jack handles, say, local monitoring right at the rack.
And that leads us straight to the aha moment of this board embedding.
Right. The other direction.
The board also supports 4 2-channel Dante audio inputs through that one network port.
So you're not just pulling audio out of the HDMI stream. You can inject new audio in.
You've got it. So think about it. You could take a local announcement mic or some background music from the network
And merge it right onto a specific video source.
and that new combined audio video stream then follows that source wherever you route it in the matrix. It's full digital audio integration.
And for the people actually installing this, it's all designed to be simple, right? Quick release fittings.
Super simple. It just pops into the custom Pro Matrix hub, keeps the installation clean and fast.
So to sum it up for everyone listening, this board is really the key component when you need that peak 4K 60 Hz 4.4.4 video, but you also need complex, independent audio control using a standard like Dante.
Before we wrap up, though, there is one last spec we should mention. It's important for high-end jobs. The PRO-IN4HDA is TAA compliant.
The Trade Agreements Act.
Right, which means it's certified as being manufactured in the U.S. or another approved country.
And that matters hugely in certain sectors. So here's a final thought for you to chew on. What does that TAA compliance really imply about the board's entire supply chain? And why is that detail sometimes an absolute deal breaker for major government or commercial projects where security and provenance are everything? Something to think about until our next deep dive.